In this video, we show a natural way of finding how much an area manager earned in a particular period of time, where a manager sold an item for this many dollars on this date. To find out Aaron Matheson's earnings in the month of April 2019 in Excel, you will either look up Google or help or some YouTube videos and then come up with a complex macro that looks like this. SUMIFS in the sales range, where the dates column corresponds to the month of April and the manager column corresponds to Aaron Matheson, and you get back a number. Compare this with BridgeMe platform. In BridgeMe, with the same file, to find this information, we open up a chat window and we simply ask the question, how much did Aaron Matheson earn in April 2019? And you get back the same number. You know English, so you can analyze this data. You don't have to look for this complex looking Excel macro. One more thing, you can do all of this on your mobile phone without opening the Excel file. This is how. In the BridgeMe app, you open up the chat window and you ask the question, how much did Aaron Matheson earn in 2019? And you get back the same number.